Good morning, guys. It is now around the 5 o'clock. Yeah, it's 5:16 in the morning. So yesterday when I got home around 7 or 8 o'clock, so I go straight to the bed and I sleep around 1 o'clock, 1:30 when I wake up, and until now I am awake. So it's a normal because I usually sleep around 5 6 hours, 4 5 6 hours. So 8 9 10 11 12 1, so 5 hours. Yeah, and then till now I'm awake. And today is my last day in this hotel, so I'll be checking out before 12 o'clock, and then we'll be checking into another hotel. And I was just on my computer. I actually rebooked my flight, and it is going to be tomorrow. Yeah, because I'm excited to go back to Australia to do my bike packing. Yeah, I'm going to do a bike packing. Yeah, downstairs there are taxis, they're waiting. Actually, outside this is still alive. Dubai is open 24 hours. I mean, streets are busy, especially the highway. I will show you the Sheikh Side Road. So that side, that is the Sheikh Side Road. There are so many cars in there. That's the main highway of Dubai that also connect to Abu Dhabi, the capital of UAE. Yeah, also there are 24 hours restaurant here. Oh yeah, Chowking. Chowking is 24 hours open in Dubai Marina. At the beach, they are busy. We eat there with the I eat there with the Calexto yesterday. Last 2 nights ago. Okay, so we're going to check out now. I don't forget anything. I have this adapter. I borrow it. I'm going to leave maybe $7, 7 dirhams. And if you notice, I have again this kind of t-shirt. Nice Abrodero. Yeah, that's the hotel where I stay for 2 days, and now we are going to the hostel where I am supposed to be staying for almost 4 more days. But I decided not to stay there because yeah, I'm not comfortable with the bed that they have. Yeah, so yeah, it means like I wasted $160 for that hostel. I'm just going to pick up my things and check out, and then I'm going to downtown Dubai, Sheikh Side Road, and I'll be checking in for one more night in one of the hotel there, and then the day after I'm going to Australia. Oh, look at this, there are two beautiful cars, Lamborghini green and I don't know, the red. Just now I noticed that Ferris wheel doesn't have any carriage. Yeah, so it's just around the circle as a decoration at the moment. Yeah, if you can see that shared bike, yeah, it's organized. You don't see something that they just left there behind or everywhere. Organized, really. And this one guy is cleaning that bike. And in Sydney, you see those bikes, they're just everywhere broken. Yeah, it's different. Maybe because the people here, they are scared to do something like that, and the locals, they don't do that. Also, they are scared of doing that, or maybe they're just following the respect. Exchange platform. Yeah, that's the tram, and the train is on the other side. Okay, the time now is 12:10, and the check-in time is 2 o'clock, and the usual check-out time is 12 o'clock. So we are basically going to stay in the 40th floor of this hotel. Actually, this hotel is the tallest hotel in the world. Yeah, before. And then there's the Marriott Hotel. And then at the moment there is another one, just the neighbor of this hotel. Yeah. So this is the third highest hotel in the world. Okay, so this is how it is. There is this bar, and there is that. There is this cabinet, and there is this toilet. Nothing special. Some vanity. There's this big mirror, and this is the bed. Wow. And let's see first. Let me put this down first. Wow, look at that. There's another view here. This is the main view. Wow. Yeah, today because of this I don't want to go out, but I need to meet some of my colleagues before. We're going to Dubai Mall. So we are now here.
Man, what's going on?
Yeah, a while ago I was a little hesitant to get up there because what I am wearing, I feel that it's not appropriate. I mean, I am look poor wearing this. Most of the people who go there are in their car. No one is walking. Yeah, so yeah, but I am courageous this time, so I made it, and I was able to see my previous restaurant, and the people that I know personally. It's good. Do you know that 2 days ago I was inside of Dubai Mall, and then I was walking around making video, and then when I was about going to the fountain, there is this Kenyan security guard. He approached me and told me not to remove the microphone of my camera, but I cannot just remove it because it's all attached to it with the tie. Yeah, and then he said it's not allowed to make video. And then politely he asked me to come with him, and we went to the admin office, and in the admin office I met the one, I think his boss. And yeah, but I was staying there for maybe 1 hour because the supervisor, maybe he's the supervisor, is not sure of what he's doing. Yeah, he's calling his boss, something like that. I mean, they don't have a proper instruction if it is really not allowed to make video or what. And then I said to them, I mean, if it's not allowed to make video, I can erase the video if you want. That's what I said. But they are not sure, so they are calling the boss, but they didn't answer. So in the end, I waited for around 1 hour, staying there, chatting to them. I even explained how I get to Australia, those things. And yeah, my point is, yeah, they are not sure of what is not allowed and what is allowed. Not good. Because if you notice, if you check in YouTube, there are so many videos, maybe 100,000 or maybe 1 million of videos of the Dubai Mall. Yeah. And you know, and of course those security guard, they always see people having camera. And you know what I'm trying to say? Oh, look at this. There is a barbero. Barbero is a Filipino word, maybe Spanish word or so. And you know this place, yeah, double decker, very popular to the people working in the kitchen, in the hospitality, because like after work they go there, double decker. It's a bar, it's a pub. This one is a new building. When I was here, I was walking around here, and it's really dusty during the time. Yeah, no flowers, this is dust. Now it's like this. And I remember also when I was new here in Dubai, I was living in Al Qusais. Yeah, Al Qusais, it's really far. But me and one of the security guard, my colleague, we walked from Al Qusais all the way through here. And that road, those flyover is not yet like that. Under construction during the time. Yeah, it's really, yeah. I can't imagine how I made that, how I did that. Things like that is funny, but you know, it's a good experience. It's basically staying in that hotel, that one with the, yeah, the point there. And I took taxi. The taxi roam around all over there, and we went to Dubai Mall. Dubai Mall is just there, and it cost me $12, no, 12 dirhams. Yeah, I decided to walk because it's very near. I want to go to the hotel now because I want to see the, you know, the sunset from that side. I want to make a time lapse. Okay, we are now back here in the Sheikh Zayed Road. Oh, look at this Starbucks. They are open 24 hours. We are going to take something, take away from Wendy's. And did you know that this room is just upgraded? Because yeah, normally the check-in here in Dubai is at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. But yeah, I come here at around 12:10. I went to the reception. It's a Filipina lady in the reception. I said, actually I have a booking, but I know the check-in is still 2 o'clock. Yeah, and she offered to, you know, yeah, she said, oh, it's okay, you can check in now. And she actually upgraded the room. Yeah, I'm supposed to be in other room because, you know, yeah, this is a sky room, I think, and with the view of the Burj Khalifa. Yeah, other room, of course, city view, not this beautiful view. Maybe the other building on the other side, I don't know, but this one